between Cordillera Career Development College versus men's basketball. So our referees of the head coach is Manuel Felix Jr. and ang assistant coach si Jaynard Elegino. Hornacion. Back to Buado. Hornacion. Aerial. Wow. At nasa kanya na ang bola. Good pick by Buado. Hornacion. Crossover move. Nice fake. Hornacion. Wow. Hornacion. Crossover move. Hornacion again. Look at him. Dancing. 3-point shot. Ito na si Nisperos. Nisperos. Naku, naagawan ng bola. And here comes the Skywalker. Easy 2 points. To Bongog. Ito na naman ang CCDC. Hornacion, the Voyager. Yang, ito na si Rimando. Tumatakbo si Basadre. Back to Hornacion, the Skywalker. Cabradilla. Wow! That is a highlight! Wow! Yan naman. Ako sabi nila.